Hi, I am Pragmatic, the kangaroo. We will now see a simple recipe for the 21st week of pregnancy in this video. In the 21st week, it is important to take foods that are rich in healthy fats. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, specifically oleic acid, which is heart healthy and can help lower bad cholesterol levels. Avocado Creamy Dip. Ingredients: ripe avocado, 1 cup, 100 grams, hung curd half a teaspoon, lemon juice, 1/4 teaspoon, garlic clove, 1 nose, chili flakes, 1/4 teaspoon, salt, to taste. Avocado Creamy Dip. For the 21st week, let us see how to make this. First, in a blender, combine ripe avocado, garlic, and hung curd. Blend until smooth. Transfer to a bowl. Add lemon juice, chili flakes, and salt. Mix well, and serve with boiled veggies, bread, or roti. Avocado Creamy Dip. The healthy fats from avocado, along with the protein from Greek yogurt, can offer a mix of healthy fats, protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals, contributing to a well-balanced diet. And then, hope you liked the 21st week pregnancy recipe video from Pragmatic, nurturing pregnancy and beyond.